Hi guys, this is Lokesh. Now I'm going to say about overview of the networks, which is in the computer network security course. Mainly I will focus on the what is computer network and end devices versus intermediate devices in computer network and the characteristics of the computer network and the classification of the computer network. Yeah. Basically, what is a computer network? A computer network is a group of computers that uses set of common communication protocols. Here, the protocol means a set of rules which the computer network should follow over digital interconnections for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. Simply, we can say what is computer network means a computer network is a set of nodes connected by a communication links. So, what is a node? It can be a computer, printer, any other device, and it is capable of sending, receiving data generated by other nodes in network. The examples are computer, server, camera, switches, bridges, moreover. And what is communication link? Uh, the communication link may be a wired or wireless. Mainly, it carries information from one computer to another computer. In wired communication link, the cable is the medium. In wireless communication link, air is the medium. And now I will focus on just a simple computer network. And after we have to say what are the intermediary devices and end devices. Okay, fine. Here you can see there is a switch and a wireless router connected to the number of routers like 5 routers, and again connected to the switch and some server and Vivo IP phone. Vivo IP phone means voice over IP phone. Next, yeah, there are you can see like this. There is a printer and some desktop computers. So there is a link between in green color. So it is called the communication link, and this printer and the desktops will be the end devices, and these are also called as nodes. So, what is a switch? I will say what is a switch. What is a switch means switch is a networking device that learns which machine is connected to each port. There will be several ports to the switch. So uh, it learns uh, it learns which machine is connected to the networking device. So by using IP address, the switch can know. And next, yeah. There will be some end devices and intermediary devices. Simply, we can say end devices are those which consume the data, and intermediary devices are those which deliver the data. So, some of the end devices from the above picture is desktop, printer, smartphone, server, tablet, moreover. And intermediary devices are router, wireless router, cell tower, modem, and internet cloud. Even switch also comes under intermediate. Uh, and now coming to the what are the characteristics of the computer? There are mainly four characteristics of the computer. The one is fault tolerance and scalability and quality of service, which is also called as QoS, and last one is security. So the fault tolerance. First, I will talk about fault tolerance. The fault tolerance means the ability to continue working despite of failures. It means if one computer or one cable is failed, like if you see in this network, if this router one is failed, there is another way to send the data from this computer to the. It means this computer wants to access the Amazon link. So if this router fails, it has a second route to travel. This is called. It means you should. It should not stop the work. That is the fault tolerance. And next, the scalability, the ability to grow based on the needs. It means to increase the more network or more computers, like that. And the next one is the quality of service, the ability to set priorities, the ability to manage data traffic, to reduce data loss and delay. And next, coming to the security. The most important thing is security nowadays. So it has the ability to prevent unauthorized access and misuse of the data or forgery of the data, and it provides confidentiality and integrity and availability. Uh, so it means that data can be read by only sender and receiver. So coming to the classification of computer network, there are LAN, MAN, WAN. So LAN means local area network, MAN means metropolitan area network, WAN means wide area network. If you see the diagram, there is a PAN. It means if the network is under around a person, so it is also called, it is called as PAN. First, we will talk about LAN. Uh, if the computer network that interacts with other computers within a limited area, so then it is called the local area network. The examples are residence or school or lab, and the LAN devices will be wired if it is wired LAN, Ethernet hub or switch. If it is wireless LAN, it is Wi-Fi. And coming to the MAN, metropolitan area network, it is a computer network that interacts users with computer resources in a geographical region of size of a metropolitan area. Like, simply we can say like that, if it is under city or town, the network comes under metropolitan area network. The MAN devices are switches or hub, routers or bridges, and we can say like this, the combination of LANs become the MAN. Yeah. And wide area network, a wide area network is a telecommunication network that extends over a large geographical area for the primary purpose of the computer network. WAN devices are the end devices and intermediate devices. Uh, so we can say like the combination of the LAN become the MAN, the combination of the MAN become the WAN. Thank you.